welcome back to Bmaster79. Today we are taking on an IELTS academic writing task 1 with 4 pie charts, and we are going to build a band 9 answer from a blank page, step by step. Here is the task. The charts below show the results of a survey conducted by a university library to find out the opinions of full-time and part-time students about its services. Summarize the information by selecting and reporting the main features, and make comparisons where relevant. Write at least 150 words. And here is the data, redrawn cleanly. 2 survey questions, each answered by 2 groups of students. That gives us 4 pies. Every pie totals 100%, and the 3 answer options are always the same: not at all happy, quite happy, and very happy. Before you write a single word, read the charts properly. 4 pies is not 4 paragraphs. Read down first within one question: how do full-time and part-time answers differ? Then read across: is one service better received than the other overall? Anchor yourself on the extremes. Very happy and not at all carry the whole story. And notice there is no time axis here, so there is no trend to describe. This is a comparison task, not a change task. Now brainstorm. On the left, what the data actually says. Opening hours are a hit with both groups. IT support splits them badly. 54% of full-timers are very happy against only 20% of part-timers. Nearly half of part-time students are not at all happy with it. And full-time students come out more satisfied in every single category. On the right, how we group that. Body 1 becomes the disagreement, IT support. Body 2 becomes the agreement, opening hours. The overview is where bands are won and lost. You need 2 ideas. First, opening hours are far better received than IT support by both groups. Second, full-time students are consistently the more satisfied cohort. Keep it completely free of figures. Numbers belong in the body paragraphs. 2 sentences is plenty. So here is the plan. Paragraph 1, introduction, paraphrasing the prompt. Paragraph 2, the overview, no data. Paragraph 3, IT support. Paragraph 4, opening hours. 4 paragraphs, and every one of them has a job. Paragraph 1. The 4 pie charts compared the views of full-time and part-time students at a university library on 2 aspects of its service: the IT support provided and the current opening hours. Notice that we paraphrased. Show the results of a survey became compared the views of. Paragraph 2. The overview. Overall, opening hours were received far more warmly than IT support by both groups, with a large majority of each cohort very happy with the times the library is open. The sharpest divergence between the 2 cohorts concerns IT support, which full-time students rated positively but part-time students were more likely to reject outright. In both areas, full-time students emerged as the more satisfied group. 2 ideas, 0 figures. Paragraph 3. IT support. Turning to IT support, just over half of full-time students, at 54%, were very happy with the service, and a further 31% were quite happy, leaving only 15% who were not at all satisfied. The part-time response was close to a mirror image. 45% were not at all happy, while the very happy share fell to 20%, well under half the full-time equivalent. The proportion who were merely quite happy was broadly comparable across the 2 groups, at 31 and 35% respectively. Paragraph 4. Opening hours. Opinion on opening hours was markedly more positive. An overwhelming 87% of full-time students were very happy, with 12% quite happy and a negligible 1% dissatisfied. Part-time students were slightly less enthusiastic yet still largely content, at 72% very happy and 23% quite happy, and just 5% registered any dissatisfaction. Here is the complete answer on one screen, 228 words, comfortably inside the range. Pause the video here and read it through as a single piece of writing. Notice how it never lists. It always groups. Steal this language, received far more warmly than, close to a mirror image, an overwhelming 87%, a negligible 1%, broadly comparable, at 31 and 35% respectively, well under half the equivalent figure, and the sharpest divergence concerns to signpost your main contrast. So why does this sit at Band 9? Task achievement, a clear, figure-free overview, every key feature covered, and accurate data. Coherence, a logical four-paragraph shape grouped by pattern rather than by chart order. Lexical resource, precise and varied vocabulary. And grammatical range, mixed structures with no errors. One honest caveat: that Band 9 label reflects an internal quality check against the public IELTS band descriptors. It is not a score awarded by a certified IELTS examiner. Your turn. Write body paragraph 1 without using the word happy even once. Then write your own 2-sentence overview with no figures at all. Post it in the comments. I read every single one. Subscribe to Master 79 for more Band 9 walkthroughs, and I will see you in the next one.